Hello Fashionistas, welcome to eFashion World. It's a brand new week here on eFashion World. Hope you had a fun-filled weekend. And in this brand new week, we have put together collections of beautiful, gorgeous, vintage, best of African styles for you. We are going back in recent past to inspire you with some of the amazing, gorgeous, beautiful styles we brought to you about this time, about a year ago, just to inspire you for this period that we are. We are almost getting into festive period for both the Muslims and the Christians, and we felt the need to inspire you with lovely, beautiful, awesome styles. And I must tell you this, some of the styles we do bring to you on this platform are evergreen. That is, they are styles that are suitable for yesterday, that are awesome for today, and that will be very important for tomorrow. And that is what we primarily do here on eFashion World. We wouldn't bring to you any styles that will not make trend in the future, and that is what inspires today's video, for you to see what trended in recent past and what is trending now, and probably what's going to make trend tomorrow. So just as usual, sit back, relax, and watch this very video full of impeccable styles from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. We put in this video collections of different breathtaking styles that you most definitely going to find highly irresistible if you endeavor to watch this very video from the beginning to the end. And all props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful fashion designers who put their own resourcefulness, their ingenuity to bear in these styles you are seeing rolling by on your screen. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And if you find yourself here for the first time, you are most definitely welcome to eFashion World, that broad spectrum and the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we dropped a video like this on this platform. And don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to really spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Let us have your feedback on this very video we brought to you today. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a rewarding, fulfilling working week ahead, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. to make me uncomfortable. Wow! The only thing I need tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get trouble.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.